Gintong Biaya very frisky, and the rock Uncle jumps quick out of the gate. Ding, galing, showing speed now for the outside. Sllp wins your lady, then followed by Jigsaw Star. Manila Magic also there, running by a really sharp eye. And going along for the first turn, Ding. Galing, leading Balang Kanaya, followed by Wins Your Lady. Racing third on the outside, Jigsaw Star. Alang Kanaya to Sllp. Down in fifth, Balang Kanaya is entry number 2, that's Sharp Eye. 2 lengths back now to Uncle. Here comes Star of Manel, Gintong Biaya, Manila Magic. Shut up. Entry number 7, Zolin Big to Zoki Doki, while Bachelor of Arts is running in a tail of the field. Down half mile they travel and nearing the last 600. It is still Ding. Galing, leading Balang Kanaya, followed now by Jigsaw Star. Wins Your Lady, Sharp Eye, Gintong Biaya, Saro Manel sneaking in deep now is Uncle. And towards the last 350, Ding. Galing, still leading the pack. Yup! Ay, now for the outside, towards the final corner. Ding, galing. Sharp Eye on the outside. Star Manel, Jigsaw Star. Sharp Eye doing the better on the outside. Leads by half a length. Star Manel is running by the way. Star Manel, Sharp Eye, Jigsaw Star on the outside. And there was his spiel and finally close. 5 Uncle and Jigsaw Star.